Well, woke up this morning and this is what we got. How nice. How nice. And now we're going to try to fix this. So I still got some old plastic pipe in the building. It's kind of flexible. I don't know exactly what it is, but I bought it at Lowe's. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to fix it. Well, that's weird. It's like, that's neat on camera. It's actually a city stream, but on the camera it's doing this. That's pretty neat. Here's what we got. This is some thick tubing. It's real flexible. It's stiff too, but it's flexible. Thing's about 1/4 inch thick. Yeah, it's a little dirty. It's been in the building for a long time, for about 5 years, maybe longer, maybe 6. But either way, we're gonna replace these two because I don't know why they gave us those 2 pieces of junk that split right there. But that's what we're doing. Let's get it on. And there's what we got. We got some nice heavy duty clamps on there. Actually, they're just for radiator hoses on the car. Works pretty good. This all clean up, make it look better here later. But no more leaks. And that stuff probably good for like, I don't know, 5 to 10 years. Who knows? Might only be 1 year. But there y'all go. And there's old hoses. Y'all enjoy. Have a good day. We will see you all on the next fix.